Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk, where you'll get most valuable information always. So, in today's topic, we are going to see in our channel, many of our subscriber friends are asking that where can I learn IT course? For say, if they are trying to learn Power BI or if they are trying to learn any Java course or .NET course or any ETL testing tool or any course, they have a doubt. Where can I learn? Which is the best learning platform? Either it is an online course or learning it on any tutorials, or is it from the real time person? So they get lot of questions and few are asking me in comment section. So I have decided to make a video in detail to give you explanation. Is it good learning online course or learning from a real time person who is already working in IT industry? So we are going to see in this video these details only. So make sure don't skip the video, watch till the end to get maximum information. So before that, if you are watching Techie Talk for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to Techie Talk without fail. And also if you have liked this video, make sure you like it. And if you want any new topic or any topic discussion, make sure you comment it so I will uh, post a video without. So now let's get into the actual topic. Where should I take an IT course? That is from a training institute or a real-time candidate or an online course. Which is the best platform I have to choose to learn the IT course? So I'm going to give you few clarity guys in this video. So after watching this video, make sure you will get to an understanding where to learn this IT course, whether is it an online platform or a training institute or an real-time person who is working already. So I'm going to cover in this video the stages wise. For example, if you are a person who is a complete beginner, that is who don't have any knowledge on any programming or computer basics or even on any of the basics of programming language, even on the computer basics, then I would suggest you guys to join any training institute. Because why I would say training institute is, in training institute on one if you join any course, along with you there will be hundreds of students with you or hundreds of candidates along with you. So whenever the trainer teaches you a topic and if you are not able to grasp it, you will be able to discuss it with the other students or with the friends which you have created within the institute. And also you can do combined studies with your friends which you have created and you can share knowledge easily. So in this way, if you do, you will be able to learn the topic very easily if you are a complete beginner. Because a person with beginner needs to know lot of things to join in an IT company. For if he doesn't know any programming basics, to learn that basics itself he has to put lot of efforts. So if you join in a training institute, you will be able to improve yourself day to day, in your day to day activity itself guys. Once the trainer in the institute completes, you can spend 1 or 2 hours with your friends within the institute and learn the topic. And if you have any doubts, you can discuss, and also you can discuss the questions with your trainer also. And also you can do hands on along with your friends. So this way you will be able to get 90 percentage of learning in the institute itself guys. So for a beginner, it is recommended to join any of the institute and learn. Also, another important point is, in the training institute, the trainer will have a good amount of teaching experience. While teaching, they will cover all type of candidates while teaching itself. They will explain you in a way that even a person without any basic knowledge should be able to understand and grasp the topic easily. So in that basic level, they will explain you a topic. So that's why I would suggest you to join in a training institute. In case if you approach any of the real-time candidates, they won't have that much teaching experience. They will be able to explain you real-time project and their day-to-day activity and little bit what they have knowledge on that programming or concepts. But as a beginner, you should have knowledge, thorough knowledge on the basic concepts like syntax, identifiers, and also what is what and why we use this language for developing web application, or what is front end, what is back end. All these details you should know as a beginner. If you don't have this knowledge and if you go to a real-time person, he will be able to explain you only 50 percentage of the topic or 50 percentage. But if you want 95 percentage, a experienced and well trainer is required, because the trainer will have capability to explain the concept to a person who is having very poor knowledge, average knowledge, and also a good knowledge. So he will cover in at a time to all the categories of the people who are learning in the institute. So real-time candidate will be able to explain you what type of scenario, what concept to apply. So first I would suggest you to join a training institute and learn the programming language or learn whatever the course you have opted. Later on, you once you get knowledge and once you have knowledge on that particular topic or on that particular course or on that particular language, then I would suggest you to approach to a real-time candidate. Then is when whatever the real-time candidate is explaining you, you will be able to grasp easily and you can relate it in your learnings. So this way you will be able to do well in your interview also, guys, if you follow these steps. So whatever you learn in the institute, like concept wise, theoretical knowledge wise, you know in detail with syntax once you learn in the training institute. Later on, you will not have a knowledge where to apply and which scenario to apply. For that case, I would say you to reach to an experienced person. There is when experienced person or real-time person will be helpful for you, guys. It's not that the trainer will have a real-time experience, but his job role is to train you on the concepts and to complete the course within the given time. So he will not tell you the real-time scenarios completely or take a real-time project and explain you as a real-time person does in the IT company. He will take some examples and he will explain you and show you programs. Everything is done even in the training institute. But if you wanted to see how completely a real-time IT companies, how project works and how people work when a task is given, then you need definitely a real-time person experience. And if you just learn with him for 15 to 20 days, you will become a perfect person to get into an IT sector, guys. So when you reach out to a real-time candidate, then what you can do is you have to do some real-time projects. You have to apply whatever the concepts you have learned in training institute, and also whatever the real-time candidate is explaining you scenarios wise, you have to create your own application. Then is when if you create some small applications, then you will get a clear understanding on the topic, and also you will become a perfect person on that particular programming language, guys. So this is what my suggestion would be for you, whoever is having a doubt to join either IT course or to search for a real-time person, or to learn in the tutorial. So whatever you do, wherever you learn, first basics you learn, then you try to approach a real-time person, and parallelly you have to work on the concepts which you have learned. Try to do some POC type of projects. That is, if you have learned Java, try to do a small web application, taking a URL input and login up. You can take login application or registration application, such kind of small applications. And if you are learning Angular, try to create a front end page, Angular page, login page or registration page. Like that you can try to do. So this way, if you do, you will get a clear understanding what components are used for what, and how do we navigation of an application flow works, and why database, why backend, why front end, all these details. So mostly in interviews you will get these type of questions only, guys. How in backend, what components, like in Java, if you say why inheritance is used, interface is used, and why we use thread concepts, all these details. So I hope in this video you have got some information. So make sure whoever is planning to learn a course, you follow this concept easily, you will be able to get a job. So that's all, guys. I will end this topic. If you are watching Techie Talk for the first time, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if you have really liked this content, give a thumbs up to this video. See you with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.